What up, what up, what up? It's been a minute, but we back today with a little update video on the Impala. It's what's today? October 28th. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around update on the car. Probably do a little cold start video. Let y'all see what I've been up to. Turn this thing around real quick. As you can see, I threw my wheels on just for a little, just to test fit everything, get the ride height set where I wanted it at. See how everything's set, and then go from there. Probably hear my dog in there barking. Probably gonna hit my paint man up later on. Might go meet up with him if he's available and just chat it up, chop it up, and get plans going. Let's see what else been going on. I think I done. Let me see if I can get up in here. Threw some different headlights on the car since. There you go. I'll probably get another video of that later on. Go into more details on those. That's my other project coming soon. 79 Malibu. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but we're gonna do something. You see, we already got a 6.0 on the stand. Inside Impala, I don't think this was in it, or I know it wasn't there last time. Got my iPad installed in the dash. Not too much to change. Still ain't got everything done. Ain't got all the door panels on. Just threw the one on for now, just so I can get a little bit of sound when I'm riding, that's all. Gotta finish the rear deck with the subwoofer box in the back. But, in fact, let's go get a little cold start. Cut that off before I choke myself out in this garage. Yeah, I'll probably be back with y'all a little later on. Hopefully I can get up with my paint man and discuss the next steps and get things going. Holla at y'all later.